everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm the Bearded Sauce, and for today's video we're going over Jersey Girl's hot sauce company, Be Sweet. So Jersey Girl actually sent me these sauces, so this is pretty cool, thanks to them. The ingredients are honey, vinegar, water, tomatoes, sweet potatoes, 7-pepper blend, which is Trinidad Scorpion, 7-pot, boot, Jolica, and red ghost, habanero, long hot, jalapeno, and Thai dragon, onions, lime juice, sugar, and garlic. So these guys are actually out of Stockton, New Jersey. So shout out to our New Jersey viewers, hence the name Jersey Girl. Anyway, so the bottle says sweet, bold, playful, and spicy. That's the Jersey Girl way. Her Be Sweet hot sauce starts with immediate hint of sweetness from the honey and the roasted sweet potatoes, followed by a fiery sting from Trinidad Scorpion and boot Jolica peppers. Hopefully I pronounced that right this time. I don't know. This no sodium hot sauce packed with heat adds a rich flavor, sweetness to any dish. Try it on pizza, fish, wings, or roasted vegetables. The possibilities are endless with Jersey Girl, so move on over because she's driving. That's funny. Don't forget to shake well, keep refrigerated, and savor every bite. Anyway, the bottle looks neat. I'll let you guys look at that for a second. May the 4th be with you. It's my wife's birthday, so I'm excited for her birthday. Anyway, let's get started on this, shall we? Shake well. I like how it gives you instructions. Should have had this open before the video, but might do that in a minute. Get right back to you. And I'm back. Anyway, so Jersey Girl, as we were talking about, smells really good. Without further ado, everybody, let's do this. Yeah, it looks really good, actually. Cheers. I like that a lot. It's really sweet. Yeah. Whew. Spiciness rating, I have to give that an 8 out of 10. Very spicy. Flavor rating though, yeah. Sorry, my son is trying to get on camera. Flavor rating, definitely a 12 out of 10. That was very good. Hiccup rating, it's warm. It's not getting there yet though, but this honey bee flavor, Be Sweet, that's really good. I like that. I definitely recommend that on chicken or anything like sweet and sour. I don't know, you can tell me in the comments what you think. But anyway, yeah, I like that a lot. I love the honey in that. That's really good. Very spicy. You can get the spice, the peppers kicked in soon after. But yeah, that is very good. Very well done. I definitely would try these guys out. I'll leave a link in the description. But yeah, I like that a lot. That's very well done, guys. I love the honey. Anyway, I'll get back to you guys. I'll get back to you guys later, but cheers and see you next time.